Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix your white balance in case your photo or your video is too blue or too yellow. It's really easy, but it's really important and everybody always misses this step, so just stay tuned. So obviously this photo is too cold, too blue, so let's warm it up. I'm going to hit menu, then I hit white balance, and all the way to the second to last it says custom. You hit that, now you take a regular picture of something white in frame. I use this plate, and you cover most of the frame as much as possible. Now you go back to your menu, and right under that white balance it says custom white balance. You hit that, press set, and OK. That's basically all you have to do, and now it should look perfectly white. For other circumstances where you don't need it to be perfectly white, but you do want to control the temperature, here's how you do that. You go back to your menu, white balance, and into the last one that has a little K, and you move manually the temperature up or down. Higher is warmer or more yellow, and lower is cooler or more blue. And that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe down below.